Wooden doors have been an integral part of architecture and home design for centuries, not only serving as functional entry points, but also acting as powerful statements of craftsmanship, culture, and style. And when we talk about wood door designs, we are really talking about a blend of tradition, utility, and artistry that has evolved across generations. To truly appreciate the beauty of wooden doors, we should start by looking back at their history, because from the massive carved doors of ancient temples to the simpler plank doors of traditional cottages, wood has always been the material of choice due to its availability, strength, and adaptability. And while stone or metal doors have appeared in certain periods, none of them matched the warmth, character, and versatility of wood. In fact, ancient civilizations across Egypt, Greece, India, and China often relied on wooden doors not only for protection, but also as a symbol of prosperity and cultural identity, with elaborate carvings representing gods, animals, or geometric patterns to reflect the values of their societies. As time went on, different types of wood began to be selected for doors based on availability and durability, with hardwoods like teak, oak, mahogany, and walnut prized for their resistance to weather and insects, while softer woods, such as pine or cedar, became more common for interiors due to their lighter weight and affordability. And understanding the material itself is crucial because the type of wood determines not only the strength and lifespan of the door, but also its finish, color, and ability to hold intricate details, which is why craftsmen throughout history experimented with various joinery techniques and surface treatments to extend the life of wooden doors and enhance their aesthetic appeal. When we discuss wood door designs, we can broadly categorize them into several major types, such as panel doors, flush doors, carved doors, louvered doors, French doors, barn-style doors, pivot doors, and sliding doors, each carrying its own unique appeal and application. For example, the classic panel door, often made with raised or recessed rectangular or square panels, remains one of the most enduring and versatile designs, offering both strength and elegance, while flush doors, which are flat and smooth, became popular in modernist architecture due to their simplicity and minimal maintenance requirements. Carved doors, on the other hand, represent the height of craftsmanship, with artisans spending days or even months chiseling detailed motifs into solid wood, making each piece unique and often deeply tied to cultural traditions, as seen in Indian temple doors, Balinese entryways, or Moroccan riads. Louvered doors, with their slatted design, serve both decorative and functional purposes, allowing airflow while maintaining privacy, which is why they are commonly used for closets, utility spaces, or tropical environments. French doors, with their glass panels framed in wood, bring a touch of openness and light into a home, blending elegance with practicality, while barn-style sliding doors have made a comeback in recent years, especially in rustic and industrial-inspired interiors, adding character and space-saving efficiency. Pivot doors represent a more contemporary design approach, where instead of traditional side hinges, the door rotates on a central pivot, creating a bold and modern statement, often used in luxury homes and offices. Understanding these design variations helps us see how wooden doors are not only about entry and exit, but also about defining the mood and personality of a space. Beyond the structural design, the finishing and detailing of wood doors also play a significant role, with options such as natural finishes that highlight the grain of the wood, painted finishes that bring color and uniformity, laminated or veneered surfaces that mimic exotic woods while being more cost-effective, and polished or varnish treatments that protect against moisture and wear, each finish offering a different level of durability, maintenance, and aesthetic quality, which is why selecting the right finish is just as important as choosing the design itself. Cultural influences have also shaped wood door designs in profound ways, because in many parts of the world, doors are not just physical barriers, but symbolic thresholds. In India, for instance, intricately carved teak doors often depict mythological stories or floral patterns, while in Japan, sliding shoji doors made of wood and paper reflect a minimalist philosophy of harmony with nature. In Europe, especially during the Gothic and Renaissance periods, massive wooden doors with arches, iron studs, and detailed carvings became prominent in cathedrals and castles, symbolizing strength and grandeur in North Africa. Colorful painted wooden doors with geometric patterns remain a distinctive architectural feature. This global diversity highlights how wood door designs are more than just construction elements. They are cultural expressions that tell stories of heritage, artistry, and identity. Moving into the modern era, technological innovations have introduced new ways of making wooden doors more durable, sustainable, and customizable. For instance, engineered wood products such as plywood, MDF, or HDF have become popular for creating cost-effective yet strong doors, while CNC machines now allow precise and intricate designs that once required months of manual carving. And sustainable forestry practices ensure that the wood used for doors is sourced responsibly, addressing concerns of deforestation and environmental impact. In contemporary design, the blending of wood with other materials like glass, steel, or aluminum has also opened new possibilities, allowing wooden doors to fit seamlessly into both traditional and modern architectural contexts. For example, a minimalist wooden pivot door with a slim glass insert can look perfectly at home in a modern villa, while a rustic reclaimed wood sliding barn door can bring warmth and texture to an urban loft. Another important aspect to consider is how wooden doors perform in different climates, because in humid regions, untreated wood can warp, swell, or crack, which is why protective coatings, sealants, and proper installation are crucial, whereas in dry climates, choosing woods that resist splitting and maintaining regular care with oils or varnishes ensures longevity, and this technical knowledge helps homeowners and builders make informed choices. Maintenance of wooden doors is another area where information is vital, because unlike synthetic or metal alternatives, wood requires care to retain its beauty and function, including periodic polishing, checking for termites, reapplying protective coatings, and ensuring that hinges and locks remain aligned, which not only prolongs the life of the door, but also preserves its original charm. Looking at the future of wood door designs, we see a strong emphasis on sustainability, customization, and smart integration, with eco-friendly finishes, recycled wood options, and doors designed to integrate smart locks and security systems becoming increasingly common, while 3D modeling and digital fabrication allow homeowners to visualize and create doors tailored to their personal taste, blending tradition with innovation. When we step back and think about it, wooden doors are more than functional objects. They are works of art, engineering, and cultural identity. Whether it's the grand double doors of a palace, the welcoming front door of a suburban home, or the compact sliding door of a modern apartment, each design tells a story about the people who built it, the culture it represents, and the lifestyle it supports. And this is why, when choosing a wooden door, is not only about matching dimensions, but about selecting a piece of history, design, and craftsmanship that will stand as a daily symbol of beauty, warmth, and security for years to come.